What's up, guys? This is Sparks2438. Just got my package. It's in a really weird shaped tube that I've never gotten before. So hopefully they sent me the right thing. Set the camera up and start opening it. Gotta get nice. Yay! It is the wand. Yay! Gotta get the stupid stuff out. Ta-da! Oh, wait, too dark. Ta-da! It's the Death Eater brown wand, so pretty cool. It's got the weird swirly stuff on it. So swirly! On both sides, actually. And it's a lot thicker than I thought it would be. Sure, it's really plain, but it was on sale, so I got it. Sales, they're awesome. So yeah. Put it up. It's pretty cool. Even though it's extremely plain. Got my first Death Eater wand. Not counting Bellatrix's. Hers is up there. Woo! Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.